Hello, it's me Sylvia. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to learn something new in English. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go. Okay, what is missing? Okay, I have two pictures here. Okay, in this one picture I have one, two, three, four, five, six insects. Okay, in this other picture I have one, two, three, four. Okay, I have two missing insects in this other picture. We are going to find the missing insect. Okay, here we go. I have a butterfly and a worm. In this I have a butterfly and the worm is missing. Okay, in this other line I have a snail and a spider. Okay, in this other have a snail and a spider. There is no missing insect. Okay, in this other I have a cricket and a ladybug. In this other I have just a ladybug and what is missing? Okay, the cricket is missing here. Excellent, very good. Okay, and what is missing? I have here a snake with some numbers that are missing. Help me to count and find the missing number. Okay, ready? Yes? Okay, I have one. What is missing? Oh, the number two, three, four, five. What is missing? Six. Okay, seven, eight, nine, 10. What is missing? 11, 12, 13. Excellent, very good. You did a great job. Okay, here we have some kinds of weather. Okay, we have sunny, and if you see the picture, it's hot. Okay, cloudy. You see, there are some clouds. Okay, excellent. Rainy. Okay, you see the clouds? Okay, have weather. Okay, and it's raining. Okay, excellent. And in windy, if you see the cloud is doing something like this. Okay, do you hear? Okay, excellent, very good. Okay, and what it is? It is a cylinder. Do you see the shape of this? Yes, this is a cylinder. Okay, cylinder shape. If you see, this can has a cylinder shape. Okay, and what do we have here? Oh, it's a big hat. Okay, this hat has a cylinder shape. Okay, excellent. Okay, it's time to count. Let's count up to 40. Okay, count, count, count with me. Count with me from 1 to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent. You did a great job. Nice. Okay. And remember that you are a star. Okay, it was our class. And, and I see you later. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.